Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rusdi Habibullah. My class MGQ 23 NPM 0397. In this video I will explain adverb clause connector, noun clause connector, and adjective clause connector. I will also give simple examples. Number 1, adverb clause connector. Adverb clause connector is used to connector to clause. Also time, present, contrast, or condition. Some common connector are when, because, although, and if. Example: when I study TOEFL, I study seriously. Because the test is difficult, I practice every day. Although I am tired, I keep studying. Number 2, noun clause connector. Noun clause is a clause that functions as a noun in a sentence. Common noun clause connector are that, whats, and withers. Example: I know that TOEFL is important. What she said makes me nervous. I don't know whether I passed the test or not. Number 3, adjective clause. Adjective clause is used to describe a noun. Common adjective clause connector are who, which, and that. Example: the student who studies hard will pass TOEFL. This is the book that helped me study TOEFL. That is my simple explanation about grammar in TOEFL. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.